This is going to be a huge warning for all the Bitcoin and crypto traders out there. Right now, today is going to be a very important day for Bitcoin because we are testing the uptrend in support on the relative strength index on the daily time frame, and Bitcoin is continuing to getting squeezed within this formation where we are going to see a breakout from most likely, guys. And I think today might be the day that will make clear in which direction we are going to see that breakout, and I will tell you exactly why I think that. So guys, let's jump straight into it. Of course, right now we are touching the uptrend support on the relative strength index. If we today close a bearish day, which basically means that we can close below that uptrend in the RSI on the daily time frame, then that means that we actually broke this relative strength index uptrend and that we might see a continuational move to the downside and more bearish momentum unlocked in the Bitcoin price, which in price could be that we are seeing a breakdown of this formation. Another thing I want to share with you guys that is just so interesting and makes trading actually way easier than before is that over on Wheel Portal we have a block of positive funding rates, and I can show you already right here. The positive funding rate started at the 18th of October at 6 o'clock in the evening. And well, when we have a look at Bitcoin at 18 October, 6 o'clock in the evening, that was this candle right here. Then you can actually see that since the moment we had positive funding rates, the price just continued to go down, which is what it did for the past couple of months when the funding rates was positive. And then I'm talking about the average funding fee, so I'm not talking about a separate funding fee. No, I think the most important funding fee is the average funding fee of the most important funding rates, basically. But what we just can see is that with positive funding, the price tends to go down, and we are seeing the positive funding continue. I don't expect the price to really go up before this metric turns negative. So if this remains positive today, then I do think we can most likely close a bearish day, which means that we could break that uptrend in the relative strength index, which basically means we could see more downside for Bitcoin. And one thing that would counterpose such a scenario is of course negative funding. So the moment this average funding fee is turning negative, that is the moment we might see again some upside in Bitcoin. But as long as this is remaining positive, I do expect continuing a downside for Bitcoin. Then guys, this video is basically going to be short but very powerful because there's just a couple of signals that we are watching, and Bitcoin is still trading within this triangle formation, which will be breaking out very soon, and we might even see it breaking out today, tomorrow, after the weekend, but it might happen very, very soon. Yesterday, I've published a video over on the Wheel Portal YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure to do so. I have a link to this channel down below in the video description. But I basically made a video explaining how you can use the funding rates in your trading strategy. And this is not only about negative funding price go up, positive funding price go down. No, there is a little bit more depth into these funding rates, and I explain that all in this video. I think it is very important for every single trader to watch this video. And I think already if you just use it, this is what I said yesterday as well. I think if you would only just use these two metrics, which is Bitcoin balance on exchange and the Bitcoin funding rates, which are only two metrics. We have even way more metrics over on Wheel Portal, and we can even do TA over in the price. But I think if you would just use these two metrics, your whole trading game will be way and way more profitable than any kind of strategy that you are using now, which doesn't include the Bitcoin balance on exchanges and the average funding fees. Guys, I don't know how much I want to stress this, how much importance I think this has, because since we have Wheel Portal and I get a lot of messages from you guys, trading became way more easily, and it is way more easier to get a grip on the markets. It doesn't mean that you every single time need to open a trade and know exactly what's happening. No, but you just know the background mechanics of the price action that you are seeing over in the charts. So you can find scenarios in the charts, and eventually you can confirm those scenarios, those ideas with Whale Portal. And if you don't know yet how this platform is exactly working, then yeah, make sure to go over the Whale Portal YouTube channel and watch these 2 videos, because I believe this will definitely significantly increase your trading game just with these 2 easy and simple metrics. And this is all for free, guys. There is no there's nothing to be asked for. You don't have to pay anything. Of course, if you like the video, if you subscribe to the channel, those support is very much appreciated. But I'm not asking anything. We've built a Whale Portal just for you, for traders, to get a better grip, to don't get wrecked, to get a better understanding of the markets. And I'm teaching all of this basically for free to you, just because I want everybody to win. I want the Blockchain Today community to win. That is why I'm here. I'm here to educate you guys. I'm here to help you navigate through the crypto markets. So yeah, I would highly suggest everybody to use this platform and to educate yourself on this, because it's just so important and it makes trading way easier, and it helps you to become financially free and be able to finally step out of the matrix. Guys, I want to thank you all for watching it. That was basically for today's video. Basically, watch the funding rates today, watch the close of Bitcoin today, watch the uptrend in the relative strength index of Bitcoin today, and we might see very clearly whether this is going to bounce in the next days or whether we are going to see a breakdown. Guys, I want to thank you all for watching. If you like this video, smash up that like button. If you just arrived at this channel, make sure to subscribe down below, hit the bell icon. Very much appreciated. And guys, I wish you all a great day, and I hope to see all of you in the next video.